What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into Jodie Goffe Birdsong. You wanted it. I'm here with it. Get over and show Smugglers Records all the love in the world. Go show Jodie Goffe the love. Let's go.
If a bird flies too close to the sun, its feathers will burn one by one. You know I did all I could possibly have done. Save your daughter, save your son. Save your daughter, save your son. Since you could speak your name, you've always wanted more. But now your feathers are aflame, you're falling to the floor.
Listen, this is super real. I feel like where somebody is kind of at the end. They don't know exactly how to help anymore. You've already told you things like there's warnings that be careful trying to fly too close to the sun. You remember the story of Icarus? Yeah. Don't overreach. Don't focus on only getting there. Don't once you a lot of things you leave behind. People that are rich and famous get up there only to realize that hey, I'm rich and famous and that's all that I am. Like you realize a lot of the things that you took for granted, a lot of things that you left behind. It's okay to be ambitious and it's okay to want big dreams and big hopes and things, but don't forget to take the people that are around you with you. Let them on the elevator with you, especially if they're the ones that are there supporting you and trying to love on you. This is deep.
To the floor, don't say we didn't tell you so. Oh, don't say we didn't tell you so. Didn't tell you so. You may be blinded by the light, but the taste is bittersweet.
way deep. Way deep. It's super crystal clear, fairy kind of voice. Her voice is magical. Be careful. That's what I'm gonna say. Be careful. It's okay to be ambitious, chase after things. 100% okay. If we didn't have ambitious people in the world, Lord knows what the world. But enjoy the ride. There's people out there that are pushing to get to where they want to be, whether they gotta step on other people to get there, whether they gotta leave people behind. They're gonna be real lonely up at the top. There's a lot of real lonely people at the top. I finally made it. Man, I wish I had some friends to tell. Get over, show Jodie Goffe all the love of the world. Definitely one of the deeper ones from today. Smash the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but there's something wrong with your ears. Got the next one of my Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, and love you to the moon and back. Peace.